me for 5 years, so I never
Oh,
got to
okay.
grow it out.
He was rocking a buzz cut.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube, to kick this haircut off, we're gonna create our shape. We're gonna give him a high taper, but we're gonna low key give him a dark fade, like a dark drop fade, and then blend that into the high taper. He didn't really want the curls around his ear, he said it was kind of annoying him. So we're just gonna go with the grain with our foreguard. And what this is doing, we're just making it easier for ourselves later on. You know, as you can see, he's Dominican, so his hair is very, very curly. If you're just going with your trimmer, trying to set in guidelines, you're just making it difficult. So take your time, establish shape. Right now we're going against the grain. So we're gonna set in our bald line and we're gonna do a high taper. And if you notice, I'm using the corner of my blade whenever I get the chance, just to try and keep specific areas that need to stay dark. We're gonna fade his beard in. And for the back, I wanted to take this taper up pretty high in the back. It fit his head shape. He wasn't really looking for that hangover type look, or like the curls kind of like dangle over the taper. He wasn't looking for that. He didn't want the curls around his ear. So yeah, we're gonna be spacious with this taper. This is called a generous taper right here. Highest guard I'm gonna use for the taper is just a 3. And right now we're gonna do some clip over comb, just to blend on those awkward areas. Touching it up with our 3. And notice how I kind of take the area around his ear down. I trim that area. That way we can ensure that there's a crispy line going around his ear, you know, without the use of enhancements. So same thing on this side. This side was a bit easier. So we're gonna shape up around his ear. As you can see, that's like the perfect length. It's not too dark. And it's not too light, it's still noticeable, crispy. We're making sure this side matches the other side. For the front lineup, we're gonna clip over comb a lot of these curls. He didn't want it to hang over, but he also didn't want it like a separation line. You know what I'm saying? Like how a lot of dudes with braids and dreads. He wanted it to kind of flow straight up into the curls, and he didn't want to use enhancements. So we're gonna try and take advantage of the darkness of his hair in the front. Now, obviously enhancements definitely would have made this haircut look better, but you gotta make do with what you got. So we're making sure we're combing down. As you can see, this side, he does have a cowlick. This is his weaker side of the lineup. After that, we're gonna take care of his beard. Making sure it fits his face. So we're gonna blend in like the patchy spots to try and match it. And we're gonna trim his mustache. I like to take my one guard and kind of go against the grain a little bit. And just shape up the stash, not too thin. Shout out Game Changer. This is his shaving gel he's coming out with. He sent me a sample. Shout out to him. Shout out Easy Blade. We're using our Easy Blade razor with our Game Changer shave gel. Love this shave gel. It has my stamp of approval for sure. So we're stretching the skin, wiping it down with our towel. Now we're just gonna go back and use our diffuser. He didn't want anything off the top.
Yo, that looks dope. That looks so good. Damn, you did that.
Appreciate it, bro. This is how my client came in. And this is how he's leaving. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy 4. I'm out. Peace.